Hello to the team at United Floor Covering. My name's Jeff Bradley, and I wanted to make you this video to show you a couple of really simple things you can do to your website that will greatly impact your Google ranking. So I checked your ranking, and using the search words laminate flooring Spokane, by the way, laminate flooring is a very high traffic keyword that I'm using, and of course this is your Spokane listing. I find that you are on page 4, about a third of the way down, got you highlighted there. However, according to Google, 92% of people searching on Google, they never look past page 1. So that's a huge percentage of traffic that's not seeing you. So we need to get you bumped up in the rankings and ultimately onto page 1, which will multiply times 10 at least the number of people who will see you. And here is how we can get you headed in that direction. So the very first thing Google looks at when ranking a website is the title tag. Now these blue lines of text are all the title tags. Here's yours. The title tag tells Google what it is that you want to rank for, and it's also telling Google that these are the very keywords or search words that you want people to use to find you with. Now the problem I see here is that nobody searching for your services or products are likely to simply type in the word laminate. Some might, but the vast majority are going to link it with flooring, as this is a huge traffic volume keyword, as I mentioned, and laminate by itself is not. And in addition to that, you've got your business name here, and nobody would even know to type in your business name in their search. So it's critical to get the right search words into your title tag. So let me demonstrate how critically important it is. If I copy yours word for word, I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to paste it into the search bar. Paste and go. Watch what happens. Boom. Using my new search words, which you suggested in your title tag here, you are the #1 business I see popping up in my new search. But again, nobody searching for your services would know to use these words. They wouldn't know to use your business name or the word laminate by itself. So now this ties in directly with a second issue that I wanted to point out to you, which is the second thing that Google looks at when ranking you, and that is your H1. Now the H1 is a line of text on your website that also contains the search words that you want people to use to find you with. And the H1 needs to match exactly what you have in your title tag. So if we go back to your website, I'm going to open up this scanning tool and come down and find out that, first of all, you have 5 H1s. Now this is confusion issue #1 for Google. Anytime you have more than one of these H1s, Google is confused and doesn't know what to do with that. So this is confusion issue #1 for Google. And confusion issue #2 is that none of these H1s match at all what you have in your title tag. So that's confusion issue #2. Confusion issue #3 for Google is that the H1 is supposed to contain the keywords that you want people to use to find you with. And nobody searching for your services or products would never type in any of these keywords. They would never type in image, alt, text, or project gallery, or any of these things. So when you add all this together, Google is confused about what it is that you want to rank for, and consequently doesn't know who to direct to you, and will instead red flag and demote your website. So these simple fixes alone would have a huge impact on your Google ranking, because they would begin to create a crystal clear channel of communication between your website and the Google algorithm. And by the way, since I know that you offer other types of flooring products down here, tile and stone, hardwood, carpet, etc., we would create a setup or a system on your website where we would optimize for each one of these offerings that you have, not just laminate alone, so that you would rank on page 1 for all of these services. So Anyway, if you'd like to know more about this and some of the other ranking factors too that I haven't been able to mention here, just reply back and let's have a quick chat about it. I would be happy to answer all of your questions. This is what I do. I get businesses ranked onto page 1 of Google and ultimately into the top 3 spots, which will automatically triple or quadruple your monthly revenue. So that's how powerful it is to be on page 1 of Google. So reply back and let me know. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're having a great day. Take care. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.